The loft can be a really valuable space in your home, providing it's properly prepared. It's ideal for storage of larger items and the bits you only need to use infrequently, things like suitcases and Christmas decorations. But you might find that your loft needs to be kitted out a bit to turn it into a safe and usable space. With some simple steps, you'll be able to fully make use of your loft for storage. The first thing you'll need to do is properly insulate your loft. Put down layers of loft insulation roll between the joists or in the rafters, making sure to adhere to the current regulations regarding the thickness. When working in your loft space, you can put down loose boards to work on and avoid having to balance on the joists. If you find that you don't have enough space to reach the required thickness, you can raise the floor using timber battens that are attached to the joists before attaching loft legs to the battens. This should provide enough clearance for the amount of loft roll you need. Once you've got your layers of insulation down, you can build yourself a stable base on top. Screw your loft boards to your loft legs to attach them, so that they're nice and sturdy to stand, sit and kneel on. When it comes to storing items, it's important to avoid overfilling your loft. If you have a warm loft, you can store items that are traditionally not recommended to be kept in lofts, such as documents, food and wine, paint, wooden furniture or valuable artwork. These items are not recommended to be kept in cold lofts due to the unique conditions such as temperature fluctuations, humidity and exposure to dust and pests. Now that you have a stable floor down, you can use all of this area as storage space. But if you're looking for extra, loft ledge truss shelving kits can come in handy. They come with brackets that connect to the trusses in your loft, as well as shelving boards, giving you even more space to store your stuff while helping to keep things more organised. Be sure to leave enough space between your boxes so that you have enough space to move around easily. Make sure there are no sharp nails or screws sticking out of the boards or any of the beams. Now you're ready to pack it out with all of your odds and ends. Everything will stay safely stored until you next need it.